Hello, class. Welcome to day 2. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be creating an add-on called Pear-Deck. Let me open it. If you want to get this, if it's not on your screen, you go to Get Add-ons and find Pear-Deck and install it. I'm going to open Pear-Deck on the right side of the screen. It should pop up. What I'm going to do here is, you look at the slide, I'm going to add a multiple choice question right to the slide. Okay, I'm going to click on that. It'll give me a little preview of what it will say. So on your device, a student's device, it will give you a true, false, or A, B, and C, D, multiple choice question. And on the projector, it'll show this in real time. And I will say, okay, now Pear-Deck is going to work. And you will see the question down here. Okay, that's one Pear-Deck example. And on this one, I'm going to go scroll up here. And I am going to give you a little assessment here. And on this one, I'm going to give you a little true, false. I click on that. It's now, the difference is it's going to add a slide. See how the slide pops up? And now I can now change anything I want here. And I'm going to say, so I just changed it, the text box, and that is now going to be shown on your screen later on. We'll take a look at that one. Okay, check this out. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to create this whole thing, and I'm going to try to create a slide. Well, these are all the slides that they have, but I'm going to go back. You can take a look at that later. And you can create a reflection, exit ticket, beginning. I'm going to go over these a little bit later. And over here, you can make this into a multiple choice slide, which would be pretty interesting to do. You can also draw your answer. Just hit draw. The premium one. That's a pretty cool one. I'm not going to do that. Okay. So I guess these are the premium ones, the Drago. They used to not be. I know that. I guess they turned. So what I can do, though, is I can do a thought question. And that's a summary of what you just learned. I'm going to put it, it did it before. I want to go after. And then, I can just leave this. You can also, by the way, everything's editable. I can say, to summarize what you just learned. I can write summarize what you just learned.